Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are still on our series, Steps to Quantitative Reasoning, and we are looking at test 2C today. And just I always say, the first thing is to look at the example and understand the operation that goes behind the example. It is that understanding that will lead us to solve the follow-up questions. Now, for the first one, we have 4. We have an arrow that is facing up, and we have 3. So equals 12. So what does this arrow mean? It's a particular operation. It's a particular operation. So we can say 4 multiplied by 3, that gives us 12. Could that be true? So let us look at the second operation. We have 16, and we have an arrow that is going down. We have 4. They said equals 4. So the arrow that face down, you can say 16 divided by 4 equals 4. That could be true as well. So this is division. This is multiplication. Let's look at the last one. 9, an arrow facing up, and we have 6, an arrow face down, we have 2. They said equals 27. Let us combine these two together and see whether it works. 9 multiplied by 6, that gives us 54. 54 divided by 2, that gives us 27. Definitely that operation is true. So let us now move into our exercise, the follow-up questions. So we have a box here, and we have an arrow that face down. So this divide this, and this give us 16. So definitely, if we multiply this by this, will give us whatever we have here. So 4 multiplied by 16, that gives us 64. So our answer for the first one is C, which is 64. So we have 5 multiplied by unknown multiplied by 3 equals 60. So since it is multiplication all through, we can say 5 then multiply by 3. That gives us 15. So we multiply something by 15 by unknown and give us 6. So we can then say 60 divided by 15, which will give us 4. So what is missing here is 4. So to the next one, we have 8, an arrow face up, unknown, which is 24. So 24 divided by 8, that gives us 3. So what is missing here is 3. And to the next one, we have 70, we have unknown, and we have an arrow that face up, and we have 10. And they said everything equals 100. So 70, something divides 70. You can remember this is division and this is multiplication. So something divides 70, and when you multiply your answer with 10, it gives us 100. So we can now take it from reverse and say 100 divided by 10, that gives us 10. So that is the result of this operation. So if you now divide 70 divided by 10, that gives us 7. So our unknown here is 7. So that is D. So if you check back, 70 divided by 7, that gives us 10. 10 multiplied by 10, and that gives us 100. So let us quickly look at the last one. We have 9 multiplied by 3 divided by unknown. They said it gives us 3. So 9 multiplied by 3, that is 27. So if you divide this 27 by the answer, so that gives us 9. So our answer is E, which is 9. So let us quickly do it. Check it back. 9 multiplied by 3, 27. 27 divided by 9, and that is 3. So that is our final answer. So if you have any question, please feel free to put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I see you next time, thank you very much. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, and please be good.